my role as service manager, my main responsibility is to make sure that we meet PPL's expectations. Customers nowadays operate in a very challenging and competitive environment. At the beginning of 2023, when we signed the Lifecycle Services Agreement, we made a promise to PPL to safeguard their operations.
As a contract manager, I have a pleasure of delivering tailor-made solution for a PPL. This includes 24/7 service desk, planned inspection and remote support from highly skilled controls engineers. We also check certain parameters to maintain the level of performance.
We as PPL Ops Engineering team appreciate the level of support during the launch and after the go live and the quality of the hypercare service. From the lifecycle service team, we get the main benefit. They provide us 24/7 support, assigned experts, and solve issues in a very efficient time. One of the biggest advantages of Vanderlande system is to provide us with accurate and live data, which we can use for efficient people assignment and in long term to improve the productivity.
We carry out planned inspections to assess the condition of the system. Based on our reports, customer can easily plan any repair and order required parts from our webshop.
For PPL Ops Engineering team, Vanderlande is set as a new benchmark because we can easily order spare parts using your e-shop and we can keep the critical parts on our own stock.
Vanderlande is not just about processes, equipment, conveyors and sorters. We are all about people. It is a whole team effort that we succeed as an organization to be easy to work with, professional and reliable. That's why we came here today to see and ask how do we perform and how do we build this relationship. In the end, it's the partnership with PPL that matters.
Vanderlande brought to the project excellent project management, efficient problem solving, and both together it provides us a reliable system. We in PPL are customer-centric and Vanderlande understands our need. That's why I believe that we can cooperate together in the future.
Vanderlande, moving your business forward.